by now, each one of us has already watched The Ship of Theseus or heard some rather fabulous reviews. So we thought it was only befitting then to sit down with the film's maker and the cast, who have up till now taken a bit of a backseat with regard to the crazy frenzy of promotions that have ensued. Now that the adulation has sunk in, what have the past couple of weeks been like for you?
They've been very validating, and not just for me and the actors and the team behind the film, but also for the kind of cinema, the kind of representation it has in culture. It has been very validating for that.
I want to talk a little bit about the physical transformation that has really left people stunned. How game were you to go in for it right at the start when the script was perhaps narrated to you?
I think I was game for it right from the beginning. I don't think I hesitated for a moment. I've been doing theatre for a lot of time, and I've been a physical actor. All my theatre has been about the physicality of the body. And as a performer, I believe a lot going via the physical body to the mind. And it meant gymming, which means weightlifting, which I don't do otherwise as a performer. But I went in for that just to keep my muscles intact and lose the fat or the flab. And eating very, very controlled food, which was slowly decreasing in quantity. But the nutrients were there, I had to maintain that. But the quantity went on decreasing, which is what became a bit painful towards the end, because I almost drank my supper and my lunch. There was nothing to eat, nothing to chew on. It was all semi-solid food or liquids. And there were just 3 bowls on the plate just to drink them up, and that's over, that's it. That was lunch and dinner. And yes, I think meditation helped a lot.
If I were to talk numbers a little bit, Soham, you got on board as producer of the film. Did you set a target for yourself?
ऐसा तो कुछ भी नहीं था, क्योंकि ये फिल्म बनी ही अलग तरह से. अगर ये नंबर के हिसाब से कुछ बनी होती तो फिल्म बन ही नहीं पाती. तो वो सोच तो चाहिए ही नहीं थी इस फिल्म को बनाने के लिए कि नंबर सोचो आप. अगर तो वो कभी हमने सोचा नहीं, और जहाँ तक हम पहुँचे हैं वो हमने जहाँ जितना सोचा था उससे कहीं आगे ही पहुँचे हैं.
Usually you find bigger films that get shrouded in controversy, but with Ship of Theseus as well, there was the plagiarism report that rose. How did you really react to that, and did you find the need firstly to come out and speak about it?
When press started calling me, I was a bit disappointed. I was a bit disappointed, not because, I mean, every film should be questioned, every person should be questioned. I'm not even remotely claiming that I'm beyond that kind of questioning. No one should be. Everyone should be questioned, should be held accountable, should be held responsible. It's in fact the kind of discourse that we want to trigger up, where everyone is responsible and questionable, and everything is to be questioned. Yes. I mean, that's a philosophy of Ship of Theseus, to question everything. But that being said, it was not being questioned; it was being alleged and accused in a way that didn't go well emotionally with me. There were several tweets and Facebook posts where it was already inferred, concluded that it's plagiarized, instead of making an analysis and seeing that there is absolutely no way that it could have been.
Okay, and finally there's a lot of talk surrounding the Oscar buzz. How does that make you feel? That's exciting, isn't it?
The other day Amir was saying that everyone is calling him and saying, "Arey, is film ko Oscar milna chahiye, Oscar ke liye bhejo India se." And Amir is like, "How do I send it? I don't even know who is on board." People are calling him thinking that he knows, but he has no idea who the team is, who the committee behind the Oscar is.
But quite honestly, you know, what we've done with the film in India itself, I think to me personally has been a very wholesome experience. Personally, I'm not too excited about the Oscar thing.